Hi everyone and welcome back to Teaching Bee. So in today's lesson we are going to be working with multiply a decimal by a power of 10. So let's go ahead and get started. So our first problem is we're going to find the value of 20.66 times 10 to the third power. And we know that within order of operations that we need to do exponents first. So in this case we have 10 to the third power. So off to the side, let's figure out what 10 to the third power is equivalent to. Well, we know from previous that 10 is our base number and 3 is our exponent. So this is telling us that we need to multiply 10 3 times. So in that case, it's going to be 10 times 10 times 10. And 10 times 10 times 10 is also equal to 1,000. So let's go ahead and rewrite our problem over here. So we have 20.66 times 1,000. And anything that's multiplied with a bunch of zeros at the end, we can just drop those zeros. So we're going to drop these 3 zeros down. And then we have 6 times 1, which is 6. We have 6 times 1 again, which is 6. We have 1 times 0, which is 0. And then we have 2 times 1, which is 2. So we haven't forgotten about the decimal. Now that we have our answer down here, it's not complete. We need to see how many units it took us to get to our 20.66 from a whole number. So we took 2 units to the left, 2 jumps to the left to get our decimal. In our answer, there's always a decimal at the end of the whole number. We just never put it there because it's not necessary when it's a whole. So we are going to take our decimal and we are going to go 2 units to the left. And so now our new answer is going to be 20,660. There you have it. Let's go ahead and do one more problem. So we are going to simply just bring this guy up. And we need to find the value of 0.5 times 10 to the third power. So again, using order of operations, exponents is going to come before multiplication. So we know, because we did it in the previous problem, that 10 to the third power is equivalent to 1,000. So let's rewrite our problem. We have 0.5 times 1,000. So without dealing with the decimal right away, let's go ahead and multiply first. So we are going to drop our 3 zeros. And then we have 5 times 1, which is 5. And if we want 0 times 1, which is 0, if we wanted to put it there. But it's not necessary. So now we want to see how many units does it take to get to the 0.5. Well, it took us 1 unit to the left to get to our decimal. So in our answer, we're going to go 1 unit to the left. So our answer is now 500. All right, if you have any other questions or any math homework that you're having a struggle with, please place it down below in the comments. I'd love to help out. Otherwise, thank you again so much for supporting my small channel and hitting the subscribe button. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.